is Olivia.
나 머리 나오는 거 아니야?
Let me start my story. The title of today is Rain, Rain, Rain. I really like rainy weather. It reminds me of past beautiful memory. Long time ago, the whole world God made was all spoiled. The people were unkind and nasty. But only Noah was good and nice and friends with God. Noah always listened to God and did as God said, always. One day, God said to Noah, I have to get rid of this nastiness, and I will take away everything, but don't worry. You and your family will be safe. And make an enormous boat. Noah did as God said as usual. He made the ark. Every kinds of animal and Noah's family went into the ark. God locked up the door behind. After that, more and more rain till the tops of the mountain were covered. After 40 days, the water went down slowly. God called to Noah, you can come out now. Don't be afraid. You and your family will be safe. I promise it will never be like this heavy flood. I promise. I painted a rainbow in the sky as a sign. I never forget. Every kinds of animals and Noah's family went out the ark. They jumped for joy. Thank you, God. Thank you for God. Thank you for keeping us all safe. After reading this story, I think this story is touching story. There are many rumors these days like that. North Korea will make war this September, or there are many tunnels under the ground, especially 청와대. When I hear about it, I sometimes feel fearful, but I'm sure God keep us safe because God knows everything and can do everything. And He's my father and I'm His daughter. So I I'm sure I don't need to worry about it. Thanks for listening to me.